Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram to personal profile. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And now you see that my account is professional account because I got some extra tools like add tools right here. And to change that account time to personal, first, you need to tap on three lines icon right there at the top right, and here select settings. Next, select account and scroll down to the very bottom to find option called switch account type. Select that, and now you got two extra options like switch to personal account or switch to business account. I select the first one, switch to personal account, and now tap on switch to personal account again to confirm that action. And now I see that my account was successfully switched to personal account, and I can go back to my profile, renew the page, and I see that extra options like add tools was disappeared from here. So now I know that my account is successfully switched to personal. That's how it works. I hope it helps you. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.